We recently purchased this boat for £800. We made a video of us refurbishing it, but here's a 30-second update. We diagnosed the engine with problems, which we had to replace the fuel pump and carburetor. We then got it running, washed it, sanded it down, painted it, and here is an update since then. We have put on a new winch that you can just see here, gave it a new name, put on some headlights, a new bilge pump, new linoleum floor, painted the cowling, and added some of our Scottish Outdoor Boys stickers. In this video, we're going to be taking it to make sure it doesn't sink and do a wee bit of fishing up at Loch Lomond. So I've just launched for the first time. I never made any videos just there because I was absolutely stressed out of my nut. A kind guy helped me. He's probably watching this if he took the name off the side of the boat. But yeah, as you can see, it's a lovely day here in Scotland. I've got a ferry over there that I need to deal with. God knows what's happening at. So I'm just going to get out this wee bay and then let it rip. So, we're out in the boat. The rig that I'm going to be tying on just now. I don't know if you've ever watched any of my previous videos, but I made a shot of me making this. It's basically a fake Morris mouse or Maurus mouse or yeah, something like that. I'm going to see if I can try my luck. First time out in the boat. 20 line braid and see if I can try my luck for a pike. Fingers crossed we can catch one. Don't seem to be picking up much fish here on the fish finder. I might try a different spot, but we'll get another 10 minutes just in case, because this is my first time trying it. I'm now getting a few more beeps for this. I don't know how accurate it is. It's a Garmin Echo 150. Says I've got 86 feet of water, 14 degrees, and there's no fish. How accurate is it? I don't know, because it looks like an old thing. I'm sure one of you guys in the comments will be able to tell me if it's absolute junk or not. I'm hopeful to catch a wee fish today. I don't care if it's a big fish, a wee fish, any fish, I'll be happy. So I've now been here maybe 2 hours. I haven't done much fishing, to be honest with you. I've just been trying to get used to this boat. I've now stuck the rod out with a nice western swim on. I don't know if this is too fast for trawling. I'm here to learn. I think I'm in. Nothing too big though. I think maybe a wee trout or a perch. Yep, got a wee perch. Oh, we had a wee perch. So I've been out for a good few hours now. I've really enjoyed it. Best £800 I've ever spent. I have been quite unsuccessful with the fishing. I had I'm going to say it was a big perch. A big perch on earlier. Whether that be a big perch or a wee perch it was on, I'll let you decide. Fingers crossed I can get lucky before I start to head home. But it's still been a successful journey. Hey! That is a big boy. There we go. Nice big perch. Bye. And he's off. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching this far. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment, as all of this really helps us. We have plenty more content coming soon of us fishing, boating, camping, you name it.